Let's practice a few more. So here I have a 4y squared plus 8y plus 3. What two numbers add to 8 and multiply to 4 times 3, which is 12? Look at the factors of 12. I'm looking for something that adds to 8. If I go to 2 and 6, I have an 8. So I can rewrite the 4y squared plus 8y plus 3 as a 4y squared plus 2y plus 6y plus 3. Pairing these up, I can see the first two have a common factor of a 2y, and the second two have a common factor of a 3. The two pairs have a common factor of a 2y plus 1. That leaves me with a 2y plus 3. Now looking at this, I can see that each of my terms is divisible by 5. That leaves me with 2y squared minus 11y plus 12. Now if you have one like this and you don't see a common numerical factor rather for each of the terms, it will still work out. It's just going to be bigger and a little messier, and one of your terms will have an extra coefficient or extra factor for coefficients. So now AC, what two numbers add to negative 11 and multiply to 2 times 12, which is 24? Well, a few minutes ago, we had one that had a 3 and an 8, which added to a positive 11. So if I take the negative 3 and negative 8, I have a negative 11. So this gives me now 2y squared minus 11y plus 12, which is equal to 2y squared minus 8y minus 3y plus 12. These first two pairs, or this first pair rather, first two terms have a 2y as a common factor. And the second ones, if I take a negative 3 out, have a y plus, have a y minus 4 left. So I now have y minus 4 and a 2y plus negative 3, or 2y minus 3. But don't forget, I had a 5. So I have to include that in the end. Now, in this case, we can still use the technique that we had earlier. If we say something like, if y is x squared, then this becomes y squared minus 4y minus 5. At that point, all we need to do is look for the factors of a negative 5 that add to negative 4. And that gives me a negative 5 and a 1. So I can write this as y minus 5, y plus 1. And then I put my x squared back in. And I'm done. Now if I have something like this, if I say y equals x minus 2, then I can write this as y squared plus 7y plus 12. If I look at the factors of 12, 3 and 4 add to 7. So I have y plus 3, y plus 4. Well, y is really x minus 2. And I can clean these up because negative 2 and positive 3 give me a 1. And negative 2 and a 4 give me a 2.